This week in math, we will be working on shapes and their attributes. Remember, there are lessons for each day, and this is the video for Monday. Make sure you complete the work on each slide. Take a picture of your work to share with your teacher on Class Dojo or in an email. To start, what is the name of each shape? I'll give you a second to think about it. Shape A is what? A rectangle. Shape B is a circle. Shape C is a triangle. And shape D is a square. Let's do our problem for today. Macy makes this collage. Use the key to color each shape. How many of each shape does Macy use? What is the problem about? The problem is about shapes. What are we trying to find out? We're trying to find out how many of each shape Macy uses. What information is important? That there are different shapes. We have circles, triangles, squares, and rectangles, and that each shape needs to be shaded a different color. I'm going to pause the video and give you a chance to color code your shapes. So using the drawing tool, let's look at how many circles we have. We have 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 circles. Let's look at how many triangles we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. Let's look at how many squares we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. And how many rectangles do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rectangles. Did you get 3 circles, 4 triangles, 4 squares, and 6 rectangles as well? Let's move on to the next slide. Looking ahead, this week we'll be talking about the number of sides, vertices or corners, and angles that tell what group of shape belongs to. Which color arrow is pointing to the side? That's right, the yellow triangle is pointing to a side. What color is pointing to a vertex or a corner? That's right, the red arrow is pointing to the vertex or the corner. And an angle, the angle is an inside of a corner, and the green arrow is pointing to the angle. So this week we'll be looking at the number of sides, vertices, and angles each shape has. The shape formed by 2 sides at an angle is a vertex. How many vertexes does this shape have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This shape has 5 vertices. A quadrilateral is a shape that has 4 sides, 4 vertices, and 4 angles. Name a quadrilateral shape. There were 2 on the previous slide. We have square and rectangle. A pentagon has 5 sides, 5 vertices, and 5 angles. It's asking you if the shape on the previous slide is a pentagon. Is this shape a pentagon? Write down on a piece of paper to explain why or why not the shape is a pentagon. Make sure you send it to your teacher. That's it for today's lesson. Don't forget to do your minutes on iReady.